Good afternoon, everybody. Today, well, I picked up this here last weekend. It's the Badlands off-road jack. It's a 3-tonner. I would have to say if it holds up anything like the Daytona jack, I'm already sold. You probably have all seen this on several other off-road channels, and they seem to be using them all the time. At least they did for a little while. I thought I'd pick one of these up. It was on sale. I'm hoping it'll work out good, because basically what I have to work on out there is a dirt floor. Alright, so she's a 3-ton, 6 1/4 minimum, 29 1/16 max. It does have an adjustable pad right here, so you can adjust it up and down. Let's go ahead and dig into it and see what we got to do. I think we have to assemble it. I already took off the tape. I took the top off, looked at it real quick, put it back on, and I thought, why not? Why not do a unboxing of this thing? Good thing there's instructions right here. Look what we got here. Oh, this is one. This I believe must bolt down to it. So I'm gonna put that aside. Got 2 bigger wheels, 2 smaller wheels, and they are sealed ball bearing. So on both sides. Another extension. Oh, looks like we have tools to put it together. It did say that on the box. Don't look like very made parts, so it shouldn't be too hard. Oh. Alright, so there's the main jack. Let's lift her out. Just gonna put this on the table. Hopefully not drop everything else. We have half the handle here, the other half right here. Okay, we can get rid of that. Alright, so if I don't even look at the instructions, I already know big wheels go back here. So, I really like it when all you have to do is look at the picture. I mean, it's... Oh look, and the handle to pick it up. That's cool. Looking at it, it looks like it's made really well, so. Slip these front wheels on. Whoa, almost rolling away on me here. Stop. Just stop. Okay. Maybe I need a chalk block. Ain't going anywhere now. It's really cool when you can just grab RC parts and just stick it right back there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it together and then look at the instructions, see what I screwed up. And that's all like the plan. Sure. So I'll take these little clips and doodads out of here. Oh, there's an Allen wrench right here. Looks like everything is like on board. Woo. Okay. Well, we got 4 nuts. Four washers, whatever these are for. I might have to look at the instructions for that. Little Allen head. And another wrench. I think that's it. So let's start with putting these wheels on. This little wrench right here is for tightening down these nuts. I could get a real wrench, but you know, they supplied it, so why not? Okay, so what I'm left with is these 2 small Allen heads and a clamp, and this. I got this here, which I believe bolts like that. And you could use this, it looks like, with just the pad, or put this on. But since it's here, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, that was easy. And here is the Allen head for tightening these down. And they are threaded into this piece, so you can just back it off enough just to take it off. Looks like it fits right around there. Could be wrong. Oh yeah, see, just like that. Alright, so right here, this piece right here would sit like so. And then I guess this would clamp into that. Looks like I may have to, I don't see that wrench here. So I'm going to go and find a Allen head wrench that'll fit this. Okay, so let's go ahead and attach that. We'll leave one loose until I get the other one started. I'm most likely going to drop this like 100 times. Basically the way my fingers are working today. Oh crap, got it first time. Alright, so I think I figured this out. You take this off the pad, put the extension on, shove the pin through like so, then stick this into here. Put it in this way. Actually, there's a place right there for that. And clamp that down. Alright, so let's go ahead and slap the rest of it together. We'll unclamp this. Put it back up here. Alright, I unclamped it and I put it back up here. I just need to go ahead and line up these holes. And tighten these down. So now there's another deal here that will this will allow full range of motion with the handle on, and if you're hauling, you just kind of flip that down and it keeps it at like a 30 degrees. Alright, so to put the handle together, there's this little tab right here, just push it, locks in place, put the right end in. There we go. And tighten down this thumb screw back here. So now the jack is ready to go. Okay, it's locked in the up position now. And it is pretty smooth. Let's see how high it goes. Look at that thing go, man. It looks like that's it. Pretty much straight up and down. That's pretty high. Let's take a measurement on that. Alright, so we're looking at, with this all the way down, about 27 inches. We raise it all the way up, 29 1/4. Okay, so I think this is going to be a good addition to the barn shop kind of thing I have going on. I do have a couple Jeeps out there that are basically working on them in the dirt. So the Daytona worked out really well, but I tried using my transmission jack for what it was not intended for, and that didn't work out so well. Alright, so if any of you have this jack, feel free to leave a comment. Tell me how it works for you. Coming up, we're going to put it to use and see how it works for me. Alright, so this is RC Mechanic. Kind of an unusual unboxing today, but hey, that's alright. It's all part of it. So, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.